Flower Friday. First episode of Flower Friday. What do? We do light painting and we do explore the shapes that poi could create into photography. First, tutorial, then how to take the picture. Diamond versus box flower. How could we do it? First, our arm will be on water element, while my poi will be in same time, same direction. It means earth element, same at the same time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. First step. 1, circle, circle, circle. Maintain the timing with one poi and the other, while one poi do a flower. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It will make your brain understand that he do have to be all the time in same time. Boom, boom. You will start move the other arm that is on the bottom when the other will be up. 1, 2, move. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one is really tricky. When you do that, you will have to kind of really try something totally new. So good luck. The timing is the key. Circle, same time. Try to just move your arm while keeping the wrist doing same time, same time, same time, same time, same time, same time. Box and diamond. For me, a box is like I will paint a small dot in the middle here, paint with the poi, paint, 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 paint. And the diamond, how I learn it, it's like, okay, I do have 3 circles. 1 here, here, here. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now, how do you take the photo? Hey, you do need a camera, you do need a flash if you want to have a clear shot of the body, and you will need something more to understand your picture. If you do have a cell phone, it could be nice too. What do you need with a cell phone? You do need to have fully control of the lens. First, if you do have full control of the camera, you do need a shutter speed that will be like 2 seconds for this one. You will need an ISO that will be really, really low. And finally, you will need an aperture that will be really high, which means that the hole that the light will come will be really small. So you do have more profondeur de champ, I don't know what is in English, but it will be more clear and you will have less light. But the fact that you open for 2 seconds, there is a lot of light that will come for 2 seconds, and you do have a nice flush, so you will have a lot of light. So it is why that you the aperture. So tutorial next Friday. Which flower should I do? I don't know. Bye bye.